What I'd like to do now is use you to create a rhythm track. I'll do a groove on the drums, get you to clap. We'll do that, and then we'll add some more instruments, and we'll see where it leads us, okay? So I'll get on the drums. As soon as you hear me going on there, just join in. Okay, I think that's probably enough to be going on with. Nigel's going to just do a little bit of looping it now. So let's do a bit of bass on that. Oh, piano, bit of piano. Okay. Okay. Is that good, Nige? Yeah. Okay. Bit of bass on that then. Thank you. Right. This is my old friend, my little Hofner. Höfner. Okay. So we're going to wait till 9. Ready? Clap. Okay, that's bass. Okay, bit of guitar. This is my old Epi. Right. Exactly. That's it. That is it. Another guitar. Want another guitar, Nige? Lead guitar. Come on. Come on. Risk it. Okay, so I'm going to make up a song. Woo! If you hear some slightly dodgy lyrics, don't worry. This is the nature of making up a song. Okay, but we're going to do it, and we just don't care. Slap it to me, baby. That's all for now. That's all for now. We gotta go home now. That's all for now. Come on, get out of here, 'cause that's all for now. That's all for now. We gotta go home. That's all for now. Yeah, gotta go home. Get out of here. You gotta go home. Well, now you came along tonight. Boy, we had some fun. Yeah, me and you and him and everyone. Oh, yeah, now my baby. But the time has come. You gotta go home. That's all for now. That's all for now. You gotta go home. The time has come. Baby, you gotta go home. That's all for now. Yeah.
To find out more about this and other great performances programs, visit pbs.org.
Let's do two versions. Okay. See, Nige, bit of safety? Okay.